In this video, I will teach you how you can easily make thousands of dollars every month from YouTube, and that too by creating viral long-form content, which these days no one is talking about. No doubt, shorts are the quickest way to go viral, but if your main goal is earning good money, then this video is just for you. Take a look at this channel named The Fictionist. This channel has more than 70,000 subscribers by uploading a few hundred videos in the life lessons niche. According to Social Blade, this channel is making anywhere from $50 to $800, which is obviously not bad. If you check out their most popular video, it has more than 3 million views, but their latest videos are not getting that many views. I will tell you the reason in a moment, and I will also provide you with a perfect solution. Now, check this channel, Living Wisdom. He creates tragic drama videos. I bet you already knew about this channel. This channel also gained a lot of popularity in the past, with every video getting millions of views, but these days, their videos can't even cross 100,000 views. And the reason is that these niches are almost dead at the moment. So if you want to create viral videos, you will have to do something extraordinary. And I figured out a way. If you combine these two niches to make a third niche, your chances of getting noticed increase dramatically. Even Isaac mentioned this in his video.
Implement a trend into your niche. Of course, taking an old topic and adding your spice may work as well.
And the result is that particular video went viral. By combining these two successful niches, we get a powerful niche that will definitely work in the present as well as in the future, named the Tragic Drama Life Lessons niche. Take a look at a video that I created in this niche in just 15 minutes to better understand the concept.
I still remember the day I met Sarah, standing in that crowded coffee shop, air thick with the smell of roasted beans and faint laughter in the background. She was waiting in line, book tucked under her arm, with an air of calm that seemed to draw everyone's attention.
That was great, right? But if you are really serious about your YouTube journey, then you must join my free Discord server that I created for you guys. On my Discord server, you can chat with like-minded creators just like you, share your videos, and get feedback. Share your results and motivate others. Ask questions to each other, and always stay connected with me. So what are you waiting for? You can join my Discord server from the link in the description, and there is also a giveaway for 3 of my subscribers in this video, so make sure you don't miss it. So first, open up ChatGPT, and we will simply tell ChatGPT that we create YouTube videos in the tragic drama and life lessons niche, and that we want GPT to provide us with some really eye-catching and relatable video ideas for our niche. In return, GPT will provide you with a list of all the topics on which you can successfully create your videos. Then, as always, all you need to do is pick a good video topic. After that, paste this special prompt in GPT. I have experimented with this multiple times to find the best prompt that you can utilize for yourself. This prompt is customizable. All you will have to do is enter your video topic in this prompt, and in return, GPT will provide you with a top-level script that will be better than you can imagine. Then, finally, we will ask GPT to provide us with prompts or images match our script. And I want a different image for every tiny change in the scene. GPT will then provide you with a unique image prompt for every single change in the scene, which is exactly what we want. Now, heading to the video creation part, today we will be using an all-in-one free AI tool named FlexClip. They do have multiple paid plans that offer various benefits, but if you are just starting out, you can go with their free plan. Today, I am about to give away 3 pro plans of FlexClip to subscribers, so make sure you stick to the video. First, simply create a free account in FlexClip. After you land on this interface, click on Create a Video and then select your video aspect ratio. Now, we will generate our voiceover. For that, go to the Tools option at the bottom and then click on the AI Text-to-Speech option. First, you can select your language from here. After that, you can select a voiceover character. There are tons of voiceover characters. You can take your time, listen to different voices, and pick a good voice that suits your style. After that, you can also adjust the speed and pitch of the sound. Increasing the pitch will make the voiceover sound sharper and younger, while decreasing it will make the voiceover sound heavier. Then simply click on Generate, and FlexClip will generate your voiceover in a few seconds. Once the voiceover is ready, click on Save to Media, and then drag and drop the voiceover onto the timeline. Now, stretch this black background until the complete voiceover appears on the timeline. After that, go to the Images section and simply click on Generate Now. FlexClip has its own AI text text-to-image generator. Now go back to GPT, copy your first image prompt, and paste it into FlexClip. To make the image prompt 100 times better, simply click on the pen icon and select Improve Prompts. This simple act of kindness will enhance your prompt significantly. Next, select your preferred image style. There are many popular options, but we will go with the oil painting style. Then, select your aspect ratio, which will be 16:9, and click on Generate. In a matter of seconds, your image will be ready. Check the image quality yourself. That's the kind of quality that gets views. Now, drag and drop the image onto the timeline, and it will replace the black background. Then, go back to GPT, copy the second prompt, and repeat the same process. Once the second image is ready, pay attention to the next step. First, listen to the voiceover from the start to see where the first image lasts. Then, click on the split icon to split the first image and drag and drop the second image onto the remaining clip so it replaces the black background. Repeat this process for all of the remaining voiceover segments. And I have one more thing to tell you. In case you can't get an accurate image for a certain part, FlexClip also has millions of stock images from popular websites like Shutterstock, Canva, Storyblocks, and FreePic. Besides images, they also have premium stock videos from these same popular websites. You can freely use these videos and images as a combination in your video. Once you have successfully placed all the clips on the timeline, if you play the video, you'll see that FlexClip has automatically added motion to your clips, which looks smooth and gives a professional touch. But that's not it. You can even change this motion. To do that, click on a clip, then click on Inside Motion, and you can easily add a different type of motion to your video. All you need to do is click on the motion you want, and it will be applied. After that, you can add transitions between your clips. To do this, simply click on the button between clips, and then select the type of transition you want to apply to your clips. Trust me, these transitions in FlexClip are unique. You won't find these types of premium transitions anywhere else. So take your time and carefully add transition between your clips. Remember, you don't need to add transitions between every single clip. After that, there are also effects. Some really amazing effects that popular creators use. To apply an effect to a particular clip, first go to the start of that clip, then click on the effect you want to apply, and it will be automatically added to that clip. You can even adjust the length of the effect after it's applied to the clip. There are many effects available, so you can take your time and experiment with all of them. Next, go to the Subtitles tab, click on Auto Subtitles, and then choose a style for your subtitles. As for subtitles, there are very limited presets. So after downloading the video, you can use CapCut to add subtitles to your video with better presets. At the end, you can also add copyright-free background music to your video from FlexClip's music library. There are thousands of sound effects and premium music tracks that you can easily add to your video without worrying about copyright. I personally use background music from FlexClip for my videos. To add the music to the timeline, simply click on the plus icon and your music will be added. After that, right-click on the music, click on Audio Settings, and reduce the volume of the music. And done. Our video is finally ready to export. To export the video, click on the arrow at the top and first select your video resolution. Free users can export videos only up to 720p. After that, click on Export and your video will be downloaded to your computer. And the best part of FlexClip is that even if you have a low-end potato PC, you can still use FlexClip easily. This video was just a basic edit. After using this tool for a month, you'll be able to edit videos like a complete pro. Now, let's pick our giveaway winners. First, let's copy the link of our video, then paste the link here on this website, and quickly fetch our first giveaway winner. And here it is. Our first giveaway winner is Asgarabidi7941. Our second giveaway winner is Z-Day Cruise 6225. Don't mind if I spelled it wrong. And our last giveaway winner is, I'm not sure what this spells, but anyway, these are our 3 lucky giveaway winners. Their names will be coming up on the screen. Now, to receive your giveaway, all you need to do is comment your Discord username on this video and then DM me directly on Discord. This will help me confirm your ID and provide you with your prize. The link to my Discord server is in the description.